Hi Sammy, Aarav this side. First of all, thank you for the ads that you run on YouTube's and other social platform, because that is the something through which I get into your private level machine course. I remember 2 months back also I have taken in September I have taken same Amazon course from one of the another girl. I don't want to mention the name, but the course was not that much effective. I saw your ads in first week of November, and then I thought कि maybe मतलब it will relate, it will give me the benefit what I want or not. I was little in doubt, but the impact your video had, your ads was ads used to give, but the impact you created through your ads, it was so real that I have taken in the your course in first week of November, and I could able to I have created everything, and the product validation. I've taken your course private label machine in first week of November based on that those ads, and you made the thing, you made really the level of support you provide, starting from the product validation. Like I was so which product to select and all, but you support me and on every time, like to the thing you used to give three products in Excel form, and based on that you validate one product, which is one of the best thing. Like no one I think could do that thing. You have lots of your mentees and you support all of them. Your WhatsApp support is highly good. The group you have created on WhatsApp is highly interactive. Like no one can imagine the level of interaction. Even the person who are the part of the group, even the members who are part of the group, they help each other. There's no competition in them, like they whatever queries you put in that group, and within I think next 15 minutes someone code the queries, and you also are personally very much active in that group. After that your personal support and the weekly session that you used to take in on Sundays is like matlab, you only find out the things that whatever new things, whatever new things comes, you used to deliver to your we all of us, you used to deliver, so that we get to know what new things are happening. And the query session, the most important thing that you ask from us only, that what queries what issues you faced in last 1 week, say I will help you out, and everything highly practical. If I say that you are someone who I can say who support, who are just like a friends who support on each and every aspect. It's not just a course, it's like it's a complete like 360 support that you used to provide to all of us. And I really glad to have your course, subscribed to your course, and really looking forward to it. And lots of advanced things are there. Like recently I have checked that recently I have checked that you have launched advanced course, advanced PPC ads and all, where if any person is getting more than 10 lakh sales in a month can get into. It's a big thing. Like you have given a benchmark, you have given us the target that okay dude, you have to hit 10 lakh sales in a month, if and lots of person is doing. So that is something that give us hope that oh fine, the today we have started, but our target is that we could easily achieve 10 lakhs rupees sales in a month, as lots of person are doing. Under your mentees only, are doing lots of, lots of your mentees are doing more than 10 lakh sales in a month, which is a big target for us. Even in the meanwhile, in the WhatsApp group, lots of your mentees, lots of the members used to share their screenshot that oh I have achieved this, I have this. So that is something gives us a motivation, and I'm sure in the next 6 months I'm going to achieve 10 lakhs rupees sales in a month, so that I could take your further advanced level course as well, and really able to quit my 9 to 5 job. And thanks again to providing me, to allowing me to enter into this amazing world. Like Amazon is a big seller, it's a big market, and if someone uh, yes, if I could have taken your course 1 year back, then I can imagine that where I could have been at present. So really thanks a lot to making me part of it. And ultimately the main thing is, WhatsApp support and the weekly your weekly follow up is highly supportive, and that is something that make us feel that this course is our own, and we could easily make it possible. That confidence is really very good, that you used to provide to your all the mentees, that oh dear, don't wait. And the product validation things as well. Like you find the product, you give us the three product, we find the product, we give you three product, out of which you find the best product, and allow us to, okay, you go ahead with this. And after that, in weekly wise you used to get follow up, in daily wise we could ask anything from you through the WhatsApp, and immediately we immediately within next 10-15 minutes, even sometimes 5 minutes, we get the replies that, and the queries get resolved. That hand holding support is really big, and that no one else provides, that I can bet on it. So ultimately, thanks again, a big thanks.